Tulips, how y'all doing? Hey, y'all, I'm so excited about today's video because I'm going to share with you a product that I have been using for a while, and for the first time I used it in a different way, and so I'm super duper happy to be able to share with you this particular gel that I really like a lot. Now, by the thumbnail, you guys might already know what hair gel that I'm referring to. But you know what, y'all? I have been doing a lot of thinking, and I think for this month, I'm going to contribute this month videos to hair gels. Yeah, let's do that. So to kick it off, we're going to start with my favorite gel that I really like so far. So before we get into it, let me just give a warm welcome to the new people that is tuning in into today's video. Thank you so much. Look, y'all, if you go stop in to check out these videos, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of this Tulip Nation. Also, hit that bell's notification so that you can stay alerted and updated on new videos that are released. Okay, you guys, so the hair gel that I want to talk about today, you guys have seen me partially talk about this particular product in a few videos ago as it relates to my locks that I used to have. So if you haven't checked out that video, I want to leave a card or not sure what side, but I want to leave a card so that you guys can check that video out. So the gel that I am speaking of is none other than my favorite gel, the ORS Lock and Twist Gel. I'm feeling this gel. This gel is the truth. It's the truth. If you are trying to do your very own DIY locks, specifically micro locks or your sister locks. So as you guys know, a while back I installed my own micro locks, and this was the gel that I used, and you guys, it worked wonders for me, for my locks. But I also used this very gel to install my passion twist that you guys currently see me rocking. And y'all, let me just tell you, so far so good. So far so good. Now as time goes on, as you guys see me in videos for this month, then we'll know if this gel has been holding up like it should. But thus far, we good to go. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this gel, okay? Because it's amazing. For my ladies out there that are very specific about the first ingredient in their products being water, let me just let you guys know the first ingredient in this product is, of course, water. Another thing about this product is it leaves no residue, no flaking, so you don't have to worry about that whether you are using it in your locks, because I never experienced any type of flaking in my locks when using this particular gel. And so far with my twist, passion twist that I have now, so no flaking, okay, no white stuff, okay, so you don't have to worry about that. So one of the reasons why my locks looks really good, and of course my twist that I have currently looks so great, is because the ORS gel combines moisture and hold, which keeps your hair looking intact, looking good. So ladies, we know we always like for the hair to be in place and we looking right. Now, this gel is not your ordinary gelatin gel that you are accustomed to using. This particular gel is more so of a creamy based gel. So let me show you guys what they look like. So here it is. It does move like gel, but it's still more so a cream based gel. And here it is. So most gels are light, but this does have like a slight creamy feel to it, but it's a light creamy feel, if that makes sense. It is not like a cream based moisturizer, but it does have a bit of that cream like texture. So I want to be real with you guys and upfront with you. I don't like to fake the funk. I just like to be 100 with you. This is definitely not the type of gel that you would use to lay down your edges, your baby hairs. It's not built for that. Okay, it's not built to perfect baby hairs. So I just want to stress that out to you. This is more so of a styling gel. And that might be the only con as relates to this product. Also, you guys, another good thing about this product is that it is not only good for locks, it's not only good for braids or kinky twists or spring twist or passion twist or whatever have you, but this is a great gel to use in any type of natural hairstyle, because it's not going to give you that hard crunchy feeling. Your hair is still going to be soft to the touch. Yeah, this stuff is easy to use. I typically use it on dry hair. I have never used it on wet hair, so not sure how it may do with wet hair, but definitely with completely dry hair, this stuff is awesome. The price of this, I cannot remember, and I may have mentioned it in that video that I had listed above in the card of how much I paid for this, because I really don't even know. And you guys, let me tell you something else. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. You do not have to use a boatload of this to get achieved results. So yeah, you guys, that concludes today's video. If you have any questions regarding to this product, please let me know down in the comment section below. If you've used this particular product, tell me what your experience was using this product. For me, I have to say, thus far it's been positive results for me, and hopefully it'll continue to be positive. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.